cool night out here tonight, guys. Bringing up some spaghetti for the dogs. And chooks are getting ready to roost, so they won't be far away from roosting. And they're happy, aren't they? Look at that, they're 2 new chooks. They are really, really happy they are. So we're having, tonight we're going to have schnitzel, steak schnitzel, and these canned potatoes are just to die for, and they're just crisped up in the frying pan. Beautiful. With a glass of wine across. And it's been a beautiful day. It's been lovely. So we had to clean out the chook cage today. Put all fresh stuff in their nest. And there's Big Red, there he is. Won't be long. We're going to bed, mate. And Daylight Savings is here now, so they're going to bed a lot earlier. But, yeah, stop following me. I'm not the Pied Piper, okay? Stop following me. Alright, don't need to follow me. God. Look at them. Oh my God. So today we've had a bit of, oh, what's going on there, eh? She's pretty, isn't she? Stop that. My goodness. These two stick together. They're Angela's 2 chooks. They stick together. Now, today we've had Dimmy out here sorting out our solar. And we've got the diesel heater going inside. You can hear that pumping away. He's filled it up full of diesel for me. Thank you, Dimmy. We've had a new exhaust in the toilet installed, and the guys were had this morning put that on a little shelf. That was really brilliant. Lovely job, guys. Lovely job. And that's pumping away in the toilet when you want to turn it on. Okay, that's pretty good. So I'll just go in and show you. A second.
How my life would be without it, because I've been playing music since I was about 14 years old.
No, I haven't made the beds today. I'm on holiday, by the way. Don't make the beds when you're on holidays. Oh, it's a bit dark in here, isn't it? I'm not going to be able to see that. But that's it there. Okay, there's your little exhaust fan. And there's your battery. Look at that. It's on, mate. Beautiful. And all smells in the toilet. And that's off. Okay? Good stuff.